Hello there peeps, I hope you are doing amazing today. Today I'm gonna show you how to go from all of this to all of this.
Walking on fire, trying not to burn my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't.
Extremely easy hairstyles if you want to feel a little bit extra cutesy, and these are very suitable for school as well, so let's get started. I'm working with hair that is freshly washed. Spray on some heat protective spray to minimize the damage because I am going to go loco with my hair today doing all of these styles. Then I'm dividing my hair into two big sections so it's easier to work with. Then I'm brushing each section before I straighten it. This is a very important step. This way you get a very pin straight look, very chic, elegant, and sleek. I also noticed that my hair gets way more shiny when I do this section by section. So just a little tip for you guys if you want a more shiny finish. In this video, I'm doing hairstyles that are based on straight hair. So this is perfect for you guys who don't want to, spend time curling it or whatever. You can achieve really cute hairstyles with straight hair as well. I know I'm saying short hair in this video, but my hair is more like a short mid-length. But I'm just gonna call it short because it is short for me. So please don't come for me when I say that I have short hair. I'm going to continue with the rest of my hair this way, leaving the bangs for last. Now I do have some curtain bangs, so it looks kind of funny when I straighten it this way, but I usually spray them with some hairspray so everything stays in place. If you don't want to use hairspray, then you can add some cute clippers. These are my favorite at the moment. Subtle and goes with everything. This look got automatically so much cuter. Next look, we are going to brush our bangs or the front part down, then add some clippers onto the sides like this so that they stay in place. You can add bobby pins if you want, but I feel like clippers hold the hair a little bit better. It just looks a little bit more sleek using clippers in my opinion. Next is for the peeps with some bangs or fringes. I'm taking the parts that I want to style and I'm gonna slightly bend it inwards with a straightener like this for a little bouncy curl. If you have a round face like me, then you can definitely use this look to kind of like frame your face a little bit. Not that there's anything wrong with a round face, I'm just saying that it just frames your face a little bit, kind of like a contour. I usually do this hairstyle when I am visiting my mother so that she doesn't comment on how round my face is. So just a tip for you. Now this look is very easy. You just need to grab a bunch of hair. You don't have to be super thorough with this. You just grab a bunch of hair and bend it inwards with the straightener like this. How much you want to bend it is completely up to you. I like the subtle look, so I'm just gonna do this today. This is super cute, but my bangs are bugging me. They look a little bit awkward when they're like completely straight like that. So I am gonna put some clippers on. So cute! Okay, now after I style my bangs, I'm going to separate them from the rest of my face. What? Hair? I mean hair. Then taking a small clean section like this, I am going to tie it in the back, kind of like small horns. Kinda. Tie it with a hair tie. If you have smaller ones or like thinner ones, definitely use them. I do only have thicker ones, so that's what I'm gonna be using today. Don't forget to pull it forward for a little bit of volume. If you don't do this, then they will look very, very sad. So please don't forget this step. You can either leave the bangs like this or you can pin it up. Now we are doing some messy space buns. I love space buns. I have it in like all of my videos, but this one is a little bit more messy, okay? A little bit more saucy. So taking those small ponytails that you already have, you are gonna just tease it. And then you form it all together with some bobby pins. So work with it until you get your desired look. This can take a while if it's your first time, but it's definitely worth it. And of course, it looks just as good without the bangs, so this is what it looks like without them. Now we have been cute throughout this video, so I'm gonna throw in a look that is a little bit more polished, a little bit more eleganza. So start with the crown section like this, and you're just gonna tease it. You don't need to tease it a lot because we are not doing it for the volume, but we are doing it so that the hair stays in place, so that it doesn't like section off in the middle. Yeah, that's why we're doing it. Then keep on repeating this until you get all of the sections. And don't forget the sides. Then brush everything out just a little bit like so. This is not a look where you can put hairspray if you want. This is kind of like a look where you need to put on hairspray. So spray your hair one side at a time and work with it until you get the form that you desire. I absolutely love this look. It makes me feel like I'm a boss. Don't know the boss of what, but it just feels like I'm a boss. Now we are back again with the cuteness. Section off your bangs to the side like this, and I realized while doing this, this is also a look. So there you go, another free look. Anyways, then tie the bangs together so that it doesn't bother you while you work on the rest of the hair. Now section your hair up in a half ponytail, like a Ariana Grande ponytail, and don't forget to brush it as well so that you get a nice and smooth finish. Also, pull it forward, of course, so that you get that volume. You will definitely need that for this look. Then when you unleash the bangs, you need to brush it down with a brush that is similar to mine to get a very shiny finish. If you have fancy clippers, then definitely use them. I am a very simple gal, so these are really my to-go clippers. Spray and lay down those baby hairs and you are good to go. This is actually my favorite look for today, and I absolutely love it. Next is very simple. It's a simple low bun with some clippers to the side. I do have a video of me doing like a sleek low bun, so if you want to see that, I'll put it in the description box down below. Now when I'm tying this to the back, I'm just gonna go once and then twice like this. And yeah, there's some hair sticking out, but it is okay. If it's sticking out like crazy, then you can definitely use bobby pins to just, control that situation. And because I have bangs, gotta go back with the clippers again. And this is the final results. Now that we have all of that done, I'm going to pick one for today, and it's gonna be this one. That was all of the straight hairstyles, you guys. If you decide to chop your hair off, then these are some really cute styles you can do. Short hair is definitely not boring, so I hope this video helped you out in any way, shape, or form. With that said, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, night, or whatever the case may be, and I will see your lovely souls in my next video. Bye, guys!